Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to add or insert header only on first page in MS Word. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want insert or add header only first page in MS Word, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, open your MS Word. Then click on insert. In this you can see here header. Click here, then select anyone from this. For example, I select this one. Now you can see here three options is there: difference first page, difference odd and even pages, and show document text. Here you should select first one option, then unselect this one. Then type here header what you want. For example, I type my channel name, TechTouch. Then press on escape key. Go to the second page. Click here, then uncheck this option. Now you can see here header has been insert only first page. That's it guys. So in this video you insert or add header only first page in MS Word. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.